Are you searching for the best lunchbox? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best lunchbox in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Compartment 1300 ml portable lunchbox, made of high-quality stainless steel, heat insulation, corrosion resistance and heat resistance. It can store different foods, soups, porridge, and fruits to avoid contamination between foods. It can also be used as a thermos cup, which is easy to carry, makes it easy to prepare a nutritious lunch for you and your family, suitable for family, work, school, picnic, etc. This lunchbox is suitable for people who are busy with cooking. Rinse directly. With water and hang to dry, sturdy luggage rack design, more comfortable and convenient to carry, compact and elegant design, does not occupy space, color, light green, light pink.